Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to download Lensa AI on your phone. First of all, you need to open your App Store on your mobile phone. After opening the App Store, you can see 5 options on the bottom side of the page. Then you need to click on the search menu. Then on the top side of the page you can see a search bar. There you need to type Lensa AI. Then your desired app will get open. Then on the right side of the page you can see a small download menu. Then you can click on it and your app will get downloaded. Once you download the app, you can click on the open menu, which is on the right side of the page. Then your app will get open and you can get started with your app. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.